Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of IV Endeavours. Happy Saturday. It's 25th of June today. I hope you all are doing good. We are going towards a place. So we are going to IKEA in Mumbai. For those of you who do not know, IKEA is a departmental store. It's a supermarket and it's originated in Sweden. So when we were in Sweden, when we used to live in Sweden, we used to go to IKEA very frequently, but we haven't been to IKEA in Mumbai. Today is our first time. IKEA entered India, I think sometime in last year. So let's go and see how the IKEA outlet in Mumbai is. Call it a coincidence, but today most of the things, almost everything, reminded us of Sweden and Stockholm. Today the weather is very bright and sunny, like Swedish summer only. It has been raining in Mumbai a few days back, and after the rains, the environment around is really beautiful and sunny.
The water goes not through. There's creek, Thane Creek.
Look at the view around, Mono. It's looking so beautiful. Yeah, it's a video only. From our home to IKEA, it's almost 23 kilometers distance. So IKEA is based in a place called Turve in Navi Mumbai or New Mumbai. And here we are at the entrance of IKEA. So friends, just now we have reached IKEA, and just after reaching IKEA I realized that today is 25th of June, which is the Swedish festival of Midsummer, and it feels like we have come to IKEA to celebrate Midsummer and recollect our memories of being in Sweden and visiting IKEA. So as you can see in this signboard, so this is the Midsummer lunch platter, and let's go now and explore how the IKEA restaurant is here in this outlet. It's almost lunchtime for us as well, so let's proceed. And here we are at the entrance of the IKEA restaurant section. As we can see, many people have come there to enjoy their Saturday, their weekend, and enjoy a delightful meal. The layout of the restaurant is pretty much similar to the IKEA that we used to go in Sweden. Smaklig måltid. It means have a good meal or enjoy your meal in Swedish. Everything around is just reminding us of Stockholm, our life in Sweden, and we can't help but become nostalgic. And as you can see in these pictures in the menu, so they have some Swedish menu as well as they have localized Indian menu as well, of rice and gravy and chicken tikka, etc. And here friends are some pictures from our time in IKEA in Sweden. It was 2011, 11 years back, and time just passes by. We were just married, and here we are enjoying a nice meal in Barkarby outlet of IKEA in Sweden. Same experience, same food, same time, is just two different places and two different years. And here we are today. The outlet was very nicely decorated to celebrate Midsummer, and we were just in time to enjoy our meal there. Our son, who was born there, was also becoming very nostalgic and was remembering his time there. It is very surprising and nice how food, smell, and similar environment can help you transcend time and go back in time to your memories. And that is what happened to us today. And these are few more clicks. And here we are entering the kids section of IKEA. You want to sit here, beta? You can sit if you want.
That's one of my biggest memories. When I used to go in Siska Galleria and see this, I always used to go inside the following shop and used to sit over there. Can I sit over there?
Of course you can. You can sit. Okay. You no longer fit there. Yeah.
Can I sit over here?
You can. So here is the kids section from which you can pick up maybe cribs or kids chairs and tables and other accessories, soft toys, etc. And there are also some models of some rooms, like they give a walkthrough of how you can arrange your rooms and what all stuffs you can pick up to arrange it. So these are some sample rooms or models of how you can decorate your rooms, kids' rooms. So friends, visit to this IKEA store is making us nostalgic about our Sweden days and years past there. Memories are just flashing by, and from the top floor now we have come down to the ground floor, and on the ground floor it's basically like plants and other utility stuff, and I will give you just a quick walkthrough of that. If you can dream big, you can achieve big, and IKEA truly proves that. Ingvar Kamprad is the founder of IKEA. He is a Swedish person and he started this this was his vision, and he started this in a small garage in his home and with very meager resources, and achieved such heights and such success that IKEA nowadays is present in many prominent countries across the globe. If you want to learn more about him, you can read online about Ingvar Kamprad and IKEA. And now we are slowly proceeding towards the cash counter, towards the billing section. And this is the billing section, and as you can see at the exit, it's written "Hej då" in Sweden, which means bye and see you soon. And after you are done with your billing and come out of the billing section, there is this cafeteria. So if you are not that hungry and want to just grab a quick bite, there are options here in the cafe as well, where you can pick up small things to eat, like snacks and stuffs like that. And that was our visit to IKEA, a memorable one and indeed a special day and coincidence. So friends, I hope you liked today's video in Ivy Endeavours channel, the IKEA special episode. And if you liked it, do not forget to give it a like, share the video with your close ones, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel to stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I'll come to you very soon with another interesting episode and another interesting video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and spread positivity. Bye for today.